this rock.
All right, Motley Garagers. You out here got all 4 of them out here? Y'all ready to go down the trail?
Yeah. Can we go down there?
Yep, I'm going down.
All right.
It's a nice course over here. I like it.
Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Trying to find it. Shoot, we got like over 7 years in this course.
Oh, shit.
Bulldog or a tractor in your way? All right, we're
I
going.
like my car is OP.
Bro, I'm trying to tell you, it kind of is.
The comp crawlers are a
They're
little bit
way
easier
better,
to
bro.
crawl than the scale crawlers. So we're gonna go up.
We going through the cinder block or nah? Not just.
We'll go up and around, and then back up and down. Let's try and see if we can make it up this.
We can. Man, who can? Oh, my
Oh,
God.
sabotage!
Oh!
This man Parker flipped me.
I didn't notice I was doing that. I kept watching him hit me, bro. Like,
That's crazy. This man just grabbed me off.
I don't know if I'm gonna make that.
yeah, bro. It's all set.
Oh shit! I did crawl that. Nice.
What's wrong with my truck?
Get a better
You got that? You up in there?
Wanna get in front
You up in there, bro?
Be careful though, Ryan. That should be real soggy over there.
Oh shit! Yeah, good luck.
Yeah, there's that brick right here. You can stand on this mulch right here.
Yeah, for sure.
Watch your tire. Back up. Back up a little bit more. Reset your line. There you go.
I gotta get over this whole thing.
Now you gotta go down. Yeah, right there. And we're taking the course the back way, bro. Because
Yeah.
normally it's the other way.
Okay.
So we're going backwards. Back up for me real quick. Thank you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What happened, Parker?
Wanna switch?
You did it the other way.
Got the group set up going, man.
See if you can get it up over on that rock right there. Oh!
And I might be able to get it. Let's see if I can get her right here on this angle.
You got it.
I just needed to bite that.
You got that hole there.
Oh shit.
Oh, shit. Hold on.
Stay up on this wall right here. Stay driver. Stay driver. And when you hit that metal, you better go straight and then go passenger. Passenger, passenger, stay passenger. Get that rear tire. Oh. All right, here goes Zach. It's his first time. He's got the long defender.
With all that extra weight. All that extra
And with
weight.
that weight, I mean that weight though, that
That
weight kind of,
weight,
yeah,
bro.
that weight
It's
kind of
that
helped it
weight.
out in the back.
But you got that droop set up, which helped, bro, out a lot.
Let's see,
So I'm
he's
moving
got
to
it.
the back of the pack.
All right, driver. Let's see.
Ooh.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful.